we've announced a few already. But first we continue. Now though, we move forward to the entertainment social media category. We'll begin with our next set of presenters. Let's welcome international Filipino drag icon, acclaimed performer, and trailblazer of the local drag industry, Ava the Queen, alongside athlete, advocate, actor, and dynamic multi-hyphenate talent, Kat Bruscolis.
The VP Choice Award Content Creator of the Year recognizes the people's most loved digital creator who consistently produces relatable, engaging, and high-quality content across different genres. This award honors a creator whose work has become widely followed, relevant, and culturally impactful. The nominees are Steven Bensil, Abby Marquez, John Martin, Christian Anthony, Haji Alejandro, Archie Lark. The VP Choice Award goes to Haji Alejandro. Congratulations. The VP Choice Awards may include Social Media Star of the Year, recognizes the personality who made a powerful impact on behalf of the attention of families. Aside from the aspirational star whose talent, authenticity, and strong social media presence sparked conversations that resonated widely across platforms. The nominees are Joy Bartoma, Grace Santel, Max Mullins, Gaston
Maglalakad pa sila.
and Lisa Manal. The VP Choice Award goes to Joy Bartoma. And to all the local Filipino community, I only have one thing to say. Thanks. Bago ako umalis, mag-iwan na ako ng kasabihan. Nakatayo ako sa inyong harapan.
Papicture ako din.
Colin, once again,
1, 2.
congratulations to our first batch. of
Thank you.
Influencers, celebrities, including news personalities.
Exactly, and you can just see the appreciation that is flowing through everyone. And, you know, even if we do have awardan, I feel like a winner, Martin. How about you?
True. Same for me, because we are in the presence of stardom.
Exactly, greatness.
Okay, so I did mention a few big names already. We'll have one more here on stage as we take a short pause from our awards tonight. Okay.
How do I say this? Good evening, everyone. You all look absolutely fantastic tonight. Looking around this room, I see familiar faces, many new faces. And I truly hope each one of you is having a wonderful evening tonight. To those joining us via live broadcast tonight, nearly a decade ago, our vision was simple but bold. Like an award based solely on popularity, we wanted our recipients to truly deserve the recognition they receive. That is why our selection process is so unique in industry experts. Our goal is that when you hold that trophy, that black obelisk, up by the public and respected by the professionals in your field. Over the past years, the VPCA has grown into a vital bridge across industries, from from travel, lifestyle, technology, business, and of course, entertainment. We are proud to have become one of the country's leading incredible work you do for our friends. Palakpakan natin mga kaibigan dahil mahilig din ako sa mga doggies. Thank you to our partner Choicely of Finland, specifically the president of Choicely, Mr. Skarius, and his team, who ensure that the voice of the people remains secure and transparent. We look forward.
Say, this is who I am, this is what I believe. Because when you have a voice, your ideas don't just stay inside your head. They move, they connect, they change things. And when you don't, your thoughts stay silent. Your needs go unseen. And the world moves forward without ever knowing what you could have given to it. And this is why platforms like Village People
GMA News, and few things I'd like to say, being awarded as the News Reporter of the Year. Our work can be so tiring and draining, and in a time where facts are debated, I think that the work of the journalists, of reporters, matters more than ever, and so we should protect our media men at all costs. We should protect our media men at all costs. Ang mamamahayag natin para magbalita. Sa panahon ng sunog, bagyo, baha, lindol, landslide, gera, nandyan po sila to raise awareness and inform the public. And I think we are all gathered here today, tonight, because we just love so much our job, kung saan-saan man. Congratulations po sa lahat po ng winners, and may we continue to inspire others. And of course, this award, while I'm humbled to receive this award belongs to the GMA News and the entire team who pushes me to keep fighting for the truth. Also is for you. Thank you for trusting me with your stories, especially during your darkest hours. Maraming salamat po. And if anything, Judy pa po ako kanina, and it's just nice to spend good times with all of you. Everybody looks so wonderful. And later, naka-Judy pa po ulit because ako po, si EJ Gomez, nakatutok. 24 oras. Thank you, good evening, and mabuhay po tayong lahat.
The VP Choice Awards News Anchor of the Year recognizes people's favorite news anchor who has earned the trust of the public by consistently delivering unbiased and up-to-date news that Filipinos can depend on.
And then always Atong Arroyo, State of the Nation, Bernard